Now welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to part 2 of our brand new property tour video of a townhome development here in BF Resort, Las Pinas City. So right now we're gonna tour you to this 4-bedroom development with a lot area of approximately 159 square meters and a floor area of approximately 250 square meters. If you haven't watched the first video of the first house beside it, just check out the link above. Okay, now let's begin. Once again, you have a solid steel gate leading to a 2-car port area. So you have the first car here, second car here. You have access here leading to your kitchen space in the back of the house. And once again, the house is elevated. This is a nice area where you can put some potted plants. And here is the main entrance. Now welcome to your beautiful home. You have a spacious living area which is well lit through these large windows, giving you a view of your carport area. You even have nice moldings emphasizing the ceiling area and a lamp fixture. And in terms of your personal preference, you can easily replace any of the fixtures here because I always consider lighting to be something that's cosmetic. You can also always bring in a contractor to replace lighting as you'd like, or an interior designer. From your main living space, you have your staircase leading to the second level, and you have an open area where you have your dining and kitchen space. Your dining space features a high ceiling which gives you greater ventilation from the second level, and it also gives you a more open feeling while you're dining. On top of that, you have the sliding door leading to a patio space. So this patio space gives you access towards the carport area on this side, and here you have an access door leading to the kitchen space. From here, you have this nice display area and an informal counter for informal dining here. You can imagine having a couple of stools over here. And this is a large enough space for your main kitchen to even have an island countertop here for additional cooking. And you have a space here where you can have your range hood and your oven. On this side, you have an additional counter space. You can imagine having a coffee machine over here, and this is where you can have your refrigerator. On this side, you have additional space leading to an auxiliary kitchen area. So you see that this area is already enclosed. So you can easily have your laundry space here. And you have an open area here, which you can use for hanging clothes, or you can even landscape this to make it an additional garden area. Here's another perspective of your auxiliary kitchen space. And this is the access door leading to the patio area towards the carport space. And just to show you how maximized the space is, we have the first bedroom here, which can serve as a home office or as an additional living space, or it's excellent as a bedroom if you have family members who prefer to stay on the first level. So the lighting just hasn't been installed, but in terms of the space, you already have lighting coming from the window here, and it's spacious enough for a bed and additional storage. And you have your own bathroom over here. From here, you can really see how open the whole space is, and you have a powder room over here. And now it's time to take a look at the second level, where you have your master bedroom and your third and fourth rooms. Welcome to the second level, where you have a spacious family hallway area. You can easily have an additional small couch over here and have a television set over here and make this a nice lounge area. You have tiled flooring for the entire second level with a wooden design with a very warm color tone. And you have this open terrace space giving you a view of your dining area. So you can even add an additional lighting fixture on this side, but it's already very well lit because of this large window here. And now let's take a look at your master bedroom. You can see that it's very spacious, and the color combination really complements the flooring. So you have this warm tone over here and this more neutral gray on the other side. And you have this large oversized window lighting up the whole space with this entire built-in cabinetry space on this side. So plenty of closet space and plenty of room for a large bed and even a study desk area right here beside the window. And to maximize the space, you also have a balcony area. So this is great because the morning sun is coming from this side. So it's very cool in the afternoons because sunset is on this side. And it's a great place to just relax at the end of the day or in the evenings. You can even have a small table and chair over here as a nice reading nook outside. And here you have your master bathroom with an additional walk-in closet space. So we're just finishing up some of the lighting connections. That's why some of the areas still have their lights being connected. And here's another great view of your open second floor family hallway. And here you have your third room. So it's very green in terms of the color combination. Of course, the colors of all the rooms can be potentially changed by you once you purchase the house. It's up to you. This is just the current way that it's been set up. But if you see that it also still complements the warm wood color of the flooring. It also comes with its own cabinetry again. So I'd like to point out that the bathroom, since it doesn't have a window, it already comes with its own exhaust, which is very important for bathrooms who don't have their own windows. And now let's take a look at the fourth room. So the fourth room has a different color tone. This is more blue. And you once again have a more neutral color on this side, which matches well with the built-in cabinetry. The size with the other room is identical. And you can easily have your television set over here because this is where you have the provision for the cable. But in terms of the room shape, it's not very irregular, so there's a lot of combinations that you can maximize in terms of the positioning of the bed and the furniture. And here you have your own solo bathroom for the fourth room. So once again, you have the tiled walls stretching from the floor all the way to the ceiling. And that ends our quick property tour video for this brand new 4-bedroom townhome.
For the property features, it has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a carport for 2 vehicles, an open living area, a dining area, a powder room, a main kitchen, an auxiliary kitchen and service area, a family hallway, and a balcony. And all this with fast access to schools, commercial establishments, and major malls.
We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale located here in BF Resort in Las Pinas City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Instagram and Facebook or send us a message to our website metroguiderealty.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at this brand new 4-bedroom townhome development for sale in BF Resort, Las Pinas City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.